Hello everyone, Cynthia Miller here from Pacific Peace Retreat. I am in the garden today and we are in the midst of the March 2020 COVID-19 pandemic. And I know everyone is in lockdown and I do hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy. And I really do believe that this is a time where we can look after ourselves better and learn to take the focus back to family and self. And one of the ways that I do that is to get outside and dig in my garden and grow things and plant things and harvest things. And it occurred to me that, this is why doTERRA works so well with me, because this is what I do. I love plants. I love the essence of plants and what they bring. And so I'm going to talk about the mint family today. And with doTERRA, I use peppermint and spearmint. And I'm going to show you what I've got growing for mint today. Mint has the very powerful menthol and menthone chemical components, and that's what makes it so healing for the respiratory system. Our sinuses, when you breathe it in, it opens things up and really refreshes what it touches. So it's also very good for muscle cramps and that sort of thing. So I'm going to show you my mojito mint. It's just started to come back. A mint is really, really easy to grow, and I always talk about easy things to grow. Mint, strawberries, and kale seem to be my thing. And this is the one that will grow really big leaves in the summer, and I'll pop it in my soda water with just a couple drops of lime essential oil. Peppermint goes really well with the citrus. And it makes a really refreshing drink. So you can drink peppermint oil, just like putting the leaf in there. You can put a drop of peppermint oil to pretty much anything. I made brownies the other day and put it in the icing. It was so yummy. Yeah, that's how I'm looking after myself. I'm in the garden and I'm making brownies. So I've got another one over here. This is chocolate mint, and this one is growing in a pot. Now, if you put it in the ground, it will take off and it will spread all over the place. It is originally from Europe, but it grows really well in the Pacific Northwest because we have a lot of moisture. They really like moisture, so I always make sure that mine are well watered and there's water in the pot. And this one, it does have a wonderful taste for tea. So I don't know if you can see that one. That one, as you can see, grows in a circle and it's trying to get out of the pot. And so it will be root bound soon. I'll have to divide that up. So if you'd like some, please let me know. So that's the peppermint I have, or the mint I have. And then I've got peppermint in one of the beds, and it hasn't really grown up too much, but that will be another one I think that will probably grow to be maybe 2 or 3 feet tall. And that will be another one for tea. So putting a drop of peppermint essential oil in warm water so that you have a really nice tonic for tummy aches is a really good thing to do. And I'm just going to put you over there so you can see a little bit, garden a little bit better. So spearmint, I put a drop of oil on the top of my head, and that helps to wake me up. I smell this fresh, wonderful aroma throughout the day. It actually helps to keep focus, and it's good for my brain. I just want to show you with the peppermint what you can do. If you know anyone that does have respiratory issues, you put a drop in your hand and put it in their hand if you like. So the lung reflexology point is right about there, and the sinuses are at the tips of the fingers. So if you massage a peppermint or eucalyptus, or even breathe easy air essential oil into the tips of your fingers, I've mentioned this before in my classes, you're actually creating more of a connection in your energy meridian lines so that your sinuses can feel a little bit more light and open, and that's really what we want to do. So get yourself outside, get yourself to a place where you can breathe really good air, get the peppermint out, open up your airways, and really look after yourself in this time where the focus is coming back to our health. It's a really good thing to recognize what you need and do something about it in the moment. Don't let things build up over time. I'm here if you want to talk anytime. Thanks for watching.